Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel a Remitly transaction in process. You can cancel a transfer only if it hasn't been completed or picked up by the recipient yet. Launch the Remitly app on your mobile device, then log in to your account. Tap Transfers to view all the recent transactions and find the transaction that is still in progress. Now tap on the transaction to view details, look for the Cancel Transfer option. Confirm that you want to cancel it, and once cancelled, the funds will be returned to your original payment method. Refund processing times may vary depending on your bank or card. Bank accounts from 1 to 5 business days and from cards 3 to 7 business days. Just note that transactions that have already been delivered or picked up cannot be cancelled, and always double check the transfer status before attempting to cancel. And done, your in progress Remitly transaction is now cancelled and funds are being refunded. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.